Happy Veterans Day. I'm meteorologist Laronta. Barbee, thank you for stopping by NewsChannel12.com. And to all of our veterans who served in our country, we thank you so much and we appreciate your service. Now, the remnants from Tropical Storm Nicole arrived into the mid-state earlier this morning with some good tropical downpours that will cause some slow going for our morning commute here. So be sure to give yourself some extra time as you get on the road this morning and watch for some ponding, especially in poor drainage areas where we already have a flood advisory for parts of Robertson County, Sumner County, and also Wilson County. That's out until 9 o'clock this morning. And then there's one for Allen and Simpson County, Kentucky, until 10:30 this morning. So we've got two active flood advisories right now. So be careful out there and turn around. Don't drown. Rain from Nicole will not last all day. In fact, most of this rain will taper off from west to east through the morning, and most areas should be dry by the afternoon. Now, the wind will pick up the second half of our day as we try and break clouds for sunshine. We'll see highs today that will be in the mid-60s out there. Now, trailing moisture behind a cold front will actually bring showers back to the mid-state overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, with temperatures expected to drop into the 30s tonight. Some spots, especially north and west of Nashville, will even get to see their first wet snowflake of the season. Little to no accumulation is expected, but what a pattern flip that we're seeing. We're talking about mid-70s to start the week, good weather, to now cooler weather. We are now getting into our cooler weather pattern. So for all of my warm lovers out there, that warm pattern is kind of going away. We're kind of getting into the cooler weather now. But again, we dry out for Saturday and for Sunday with temperatures in the 40s during the day and 20s during the overnight hours. And then Monday will be warmer with highs in the lower to mid 50s out there. We're keeping another storm system. We're watching another storm system that will bring us rain during the day on Tuesday with temperatures back in the 40s. And then for both Wednesday and Thursday, we dry out again with temperatures in the upper 40s to low 50s. Thank you for stopping by NewsChannel12.com. Make it a fantastic Veterans Day.